Yo, I want lizard man that, you know. Watch him. Soap. One skull, I need to focus here, clean, you know. You might forget happy, you hear that. Watch him. Did that boy, they did that one skull. Soap.
Yo, don't deal with the thing yet. I don't want to ramp with the business, you know.
Police! Don't move. Lizard man. What a shooting a going on here, you know? I know, sir, you are the era leader.
So me control gunman.
Hey boy, man, you talk to me soup now. Put a hole through you, know.
So wait there, don't take me afraid of police. Liquor soap, your partner start bubble yet.
Lizard man. Me, I come here for a long talking. No matter your connection, you see me? Me, I go bring you down. I see next time you see me? Nah, I go normal.
Hey! A joke you not give me. You're not a comedian. Yeah, Eddie Murphy. Yeah, Jim Carrey.
It's look funny to you. Soup, make we left here. I don't want to kill that one.
See you later.
Yes, alligator. Yo, Mr. Dolly, your police, they might get out of control, you know. And I don't want to lock down the police station. So guess what? Control the pestilence. How really are going, man? Our police just walk in that place, so. Our place so loose.